Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2022 production and industrial in paper. Question number 21 is some Therblic, match the Therblic symbol with their meaning. These are the symbols and these are the meanings. First, rest for overcoming fatigue. Two, avoidable delay. Three, inspect. Four, search. So uh, P is for, this is the symbol for search, and Q is 3. So this is the symbol for inspect. R is 1, rest for overcoming delay, and S is 2, avoidable delay. So answer to this question is A, 21A. Okay. So this is theoretical question. So answer is A. Okay. No need to check further. Next, match the type of layout with the type of production. Type layout and type of production. P, process layout. Q, product layout. R, fixed position layout. And type of production: 1, job production. 2, batch production. 3, mass production. Option A, P2 Q3 R1, and option B, P3 Q1 R2. C, P2 Q1 R3, and D, P3 Q2 R1. So answer is A, P2 Q3 and R1. So this is your fixed question layout is job. Q is 3, mass production. Process layout. P is 2, batch production. So answer is A. Next, matrix A as a product of two other matrices is given by A, this matrix, full matrix 3 2, and row matrix 1 4. The value of determinant A is dash round of to nearest integer. So this is your single column matrix and this is your row matrix. So this can be replaced by 3 2 by 2 columns 3 2 0 0, and this can be replaced to rows so that multiplication can be done now. Starting from this here and this, so this will be your 3 plus 0, and this will be your 12 plus 0, and this will be your 2 plus 8. So determinant is that 24 minus 24, that is 0. So answer is 0. Okay. Next, the order of the following differential equation is dash in integer: dy by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 5x. So the order is the highest derivative, which is 1 in this case. Okay, so highest derivative dy by dx 1, the answer is 1. Next, an operator manufactures 10 identical per gear in load. Once per gear is defective in load, 3 per gears are drawn at random without replacement. The probability of getting all the 3 gears as non-defective is dash round up to 2 residues. So the probability of first part or first gear drawn out of 3 to be non-defective is 9 by 10, because only one is defective. Okay, so when one has been drawn, so 9 has been left, and the probability of second part to be drawn out of 3 to be non-defective, because this is we are assuming that it is non-defective, so defective is still left. Okay, so the probability will be 8 by 9, and similarly probability of third part to be drawn out of 3 to be non-defective is uh, uh, 7 by 8. So total probability is multiplication of this total probability is 9 by 10 into 9 by 9 and 10 by 8, so it is 8, 8 and 9 and will cancel out to be 0.7. Answer is 0.7. Next, in a slider crank chain mechanism schematic shown in figure, the crank rotates at 60 revolutions per minute. The radius of the crank is 30 mm and length of connecting rod is 120 mm. The average speed of the piston over one revolution of the crank is dash round off to nearest. So as average speed has been asked, so speed has been asked, not the velocity has been asked. So speed is increasing from 0 to maximum uh, during first quarter, and then maximum to 0, then second quarter, and then third, and again 0 to maximum third quarter, and then maximum to 0 in fourth quarter. So in first quarter we'll take, first quarter means the angle turned by this crank is pi by 2. So let V average be the speed, as the speed is varying as V omega r sin theta. So to calculate the average speed, we integrate this speed within within this pi by 2 and then divide by pi by 2. So we get the average speed during 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So from this its integration will be minus sin cos theta, and putting a limit it will be minus cos pi by 2 plus cos 0, or it will be omega r into 2 pi, omega r will be omega r, and pi by 2 will be 2 pi over pi. Okay. So putting the values, the value given, r is given, n is given. Okay. So omega is 2 pi n by 60, pi will cancel out. So we get the average speed as 120 mm per second. So that is the average speed between 0 to pi by 2, and similarly the average speed between pi by 2 to in second quarter, pi by 2 to pi will also be 120, and in third quarter and fourth quarter will also be 120. So average speed will be in fourth quarter will be 120 plus 120 plus 120 by 4, that is 120 mm per second. So answer is 120 mm per second. Next, water kinematic viscosity mu 1 10 minus 6 meter square per second is flowing through a circular horizontal pipe of diameter 8 mm. If the flow is laminar and fully developed with a maximum axial velocity of 0.5 meter per second, the Reynolds number is dash round up to nearest integer. So R is equal to rho Vd by mu, and rho is density, V is average velocity, mu is viscosity, D is 8 mm or 8 by 1000 mm. Okay, so as maximum velocity is 0.5, so average velocity is 0.5 by 2. So putting the value, we can get the number, that is 2000. Okay. Next, yielding start in a material when the principal stresses are 100 MPa, 100 MPa and 200 MPa. As per the von Mises criteria, yield stress of the material is dash round up to nearest integer. According to von Mises theory, the yielding will commence when this criteria is satisfied. Okay, so sigma 1 minus sigma 2 whole square, sigma 2 minus sigma 3 whole square, sigma 3 minus sigma 3 whole square, divided by 12d. And if we put sigma 1 is equal to sigma yield, then it will be sigma yield square by sigma by sigma d. So now putting the value sigma 1 and sigma 2 and sigma 3, okay, we get sigma yield as 100 pascal, 100 MPa. Okay, so answer is 100 MPa. Next, a single point cutting tool with zero rack angle is used for orthogonal machining. If the chip compression ratio is 1.25, then the shear angle during machining is dash round up to 1 decimal. We know that tangent pi is equal to r cos alpha 1 minus r sin alpha, and r is your chip thickness ratio, and it is inverse of chip compression ratio, and alpha is your rack angle and pi is your shear angle. Okay, so by putting value, we get tangent pi is equal to 1.25, because this angle is 0, so this quantity will be 0 and it will be 1. Okay, so pi will be your 38.659. Okay, so this is shear angle. Next, it is required to cut a single thread of 2 mm pitch in a lathe machine with a single start lead screw of 4 mm pitch. For one revolution of the working piece, of the workpiece, number of revolution of the lead screw is dash round up to 2 decimal places. So for thread cutting, the axial development of the workpiece should be equal to axial development lead screw, or pitch of the workpiece or piece into RPM should be equal to pitch of the lead screw and RPM. Okay, so pitch is given as 2, pitch on fat बंदा बर्गर जो